So standardization needs adoption, and that's one of the key takeaways, that industry has to be aware of the standards, have to support standards, and should have a keen interest, market interest, in order to adopt the standard.
We've just had our kickoff for CEI-Sphere, and it's been a really fruitful few days in which we've been looking at what the needs of large-scale pilots. They're addressing what European industry needs from effective, scalable, and compliant cloud-to-edge IoT systems. Our key focus areas are going to be around standards, so making sure that systems that we develop are competitive and they're also interoperable.
We understood that standardization is the only way for SME to get legitimacy. In CEI-Sphere, what we'll do is we'll help all those projects take into account standards to make sure that we have common concepts, then we have common architectures, okay. We have interoperability.
CEI-Sphere is a coordination and support action. We're going to be focused on the large-scale pilots on cloud edge and IoT, and we will continue to have them bring their solutions, their innovations to different markets, different stakeholders. One of the key domains, of course, is energy. Energy is relevant for manufacturing, for mobility, for very many of the European industries that are sustaining our economies and our way of life.
What we try to do is based on what has been already done in the Unlock CEI project, so the previous CSA, EU Cloud Edge IoT. There we will make some sort of customized market analysis about the market trends and finally some go-to-market recommendations. Now, who will provide expertise on legal frameworks, on business model, and also technological aspects, and more interesting on data-driven aspects. In the focus of the project will be the topic of data sharing. So we're project partners who provide links to different initiatives, just like software-defined vehicles, and chips joint undertaking.
The main work on the work package that we're going to be doing is to ensure the market feasibility of all of the large-scale pilots. This is something that will be a key objective of the initiative in order to make sure that the EU funding is really good in terms of return on investment.
So follow us on our channels and EU Cloud Edge IoT to keep informed on the next progress.